What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to 31 Days of Blend, and this is day 16. So, for today, we are going to be blending the color 2 and color 350. This is one of the requested blends that I got, and I'm really excited about this one. Now, I know it's been a hot minute, it has been like 4 days, or is it five, since I last posted. I am really sorry. A lot has been going on. I am so sorry, sincerely sorry. Any other sorry or any apology that I can give, I promise you that I'm actually very sorry. I don't know what else to say. So basically, what happened is that I was ill for some time. I had some videos that I'd already scheduled at that point, but I was ill, so I could not like create more videos. And then when I started feeling better, we didn't have lights for a couple days at my place. It's just been going on and off, and sometimes I'm not at home. Today I was finally able to film, and then I was like, nah, this video has to like go up today. So yeah, please accept my apology. I am just feeling better. I still am not like completely well, but a girl has to do what a girl has to do. I promised you all that I'm going to give you 31 days of blend, and I am going to stick by my promise. So yeah, that is why I'm here. I'm really sorry if you've been following and you don't understand what has been going on and why I've not posted in a while. That is what I just explained now. So if you are new here, thank you so much for joining us today. I just had to like put that one out there first for my returning subscribers so they know why I've been MIA for a couple days. If you are new here, thank you so much. My name is Toby, and I just hit 1000 subscribers on YouTube, so I decided to do videos or create videos or content that my subscribers love the most on my channel, which is my color blend videos. So basically, I have decided to dedicate 31 days of my life to creating this content and uploading it for you guys, and this is the 16th content, so we have about 50 more videos to go, and hopefully before middle of April everything will be up. I am so excited that we are past half, or no, yeah, let's just say we are halfway through the whole thing. So yeah, let's just get back into blending. For today's blending, we are going to be blending color 2, or rather we are blending color 2 and color 350. As I said, this blend was requested by a couple of my subscribers. I was so shocked. I thought it was actually just one person that requested it, but while I was creating the video, or while I was prepping to create the video, I realized that about 4 people asked for color 2 and color 350, and I was like, ooh, interesting. So I decided to just do it for you guys and dedicate a whole video to it. So yeah, for quantity, I used the same quantity for color 350 and color 2. Now I did that because number one, if you are blending two colors, I believe that you probably just want to use two packs of extension. So basically you're just going to get two packs of extension and just blend them equally. Now if you want the usually, yeah, I just do, when I'm blending a color with the color 2 or color black, I usually make the lighter color more than the darker color, because color 2 is always going to try to overshadow the brighter color. It's just what it is. It's just like when you mix beverage, let's say Milo with milk, you will see that you would not really see the milk in the milk. You're just going to see the chocolate Milo. That is just what it is. But for today, I just decided to like leave it as it is, because I really wanted that black to just show, and then I would see what it is going to look like at the end of the blend. Now at the end of this blend, I'm going to show you what it looks like as braid. I'm also going to give you guys a close-up look of what the blend looks like, just so you can see it, what it looks like on my complexion, as well as what it looks like when it is far away, basically. So yeah, that is just what we are doing right now. I'm just going to continue blending till all the colors are well combined and I feel like it looks good. If you are new here, over here we love to blend till all the colors are well incorporated in one another. I don't like to see the individual chunk of the color in the blend. I just feel like it is not well blended, and it makes you look like you don't know what you are doing. I like it when the colors are well mixed. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm trying to say, or rather what I'm trying to explain later in this video. I like it when all the colors are like the same thing all through. I know that is not 100% possible, but I try as much as I can to do that. As you can see this part of the video, you will see that I could still see a whole streak of color black. Like, I hate it when I can tell the colors that was used in the blend. I want you to be confused when you see my blends and when other people see your blends too. So you can do this, oh, guess the number of colors that I use for this blend, or guess the colors that I use for this blend. So yeah, that is just what I'm trying to do. I just want to make sure that all the colors are well combined, so that when I make braids with it, all the colors, all my braids are like the same colors, and one braid is not lighter and then another braid is darker. You get what I'm saying? It just, in my own opinion, it just makes you look really, really tacky and not put together. But when all the colors are well combined, it looks really, really nice, beautiful. It makes you chic, and it makes you look like you know what you're doing, or it makes you, yeah, that's just it. So yeah, if you have watched till this point, thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are yet to be subscribed to the channel. I mean, it is free. You can also do it for the algorithm. Drop a comment in the comment section if you have other blend videos that you want me to do. Now this is what it is looking like, and as you can see, some places are looking really, really dark, while some places are looking really, really light. This middle area is looking really, really dark, and then there are just patches everywhere. I don't like to see that at all in my blend, so I'm just going to continue blending till all those colors are like well combined, and then everything is just well aligned, is looking nice and everything like that. So yeah, that is literally basically just what we are going to be doing right now. I'm just going to continue blending till I feel like all the colors are well combined, and when I'm done doing that, I'm just going to show you a close-up look of how it looks like. If you enjoy what you've been watching so far, please do like the video. It really does help the channel. Also share it to other people that you think would love it, other beautiful people like you, so they can find it as helpful as you did.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got.
Okay guys, so we are done blending. I'm just going to go ahead to like brush the extension out so that I can show you what it looks like. And as you can already see, all the colors are like the same all through. As like some parts are a little darker than the other part, but it's still very non-noticeable. You cannot really notice it until you look really closely, unlike that first time that I showed you what it looked like. I really like how it turned out. This is really beautiful. It goes well with any complexion. Either you are light or you are dark, it will look amazing on you. I really love it. It's something that you should try, and this is what it looks like after I braided it. It looks really beautiful. I love it so much. I think that this is something that you can rock anywhere you go into. If you don't like bright colors, if you have like color restrictions at your place of work, this is something that you can wear and you will not have any problems with. Now this is what it looks like close up. You can see how all the colors are like the same all through. Like the black is well blended with the color 350, and you cannot really see a whole chunk of one color in one place. So that is the end of the video guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.